Good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabriela and today we are going to be creating crepes from Les Chefs de France from our France Pavilion in Epcot. I am very excited to try this because I've been craving crepes for a while, and why not do it now? Look at this amazing picture. I know, delicious, right? So I am going to be attempting to create this at home. I will be showing you the process and then the final outcomes out of this. I am pretty sure and confident that they will be amazing. The mix is very simple. So our first ingredient will be Jemima complete mix, our old friend. We have vanilla extract, which we will be placing in our pancake mix. We have butter, Nutella for our topping, and Mocha sauce. And then we have our water here as well to go ahead and add it to the mix. So I am very excited to try this. Please make sure to hit that thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more. Enjoy! Alright, so we're back. This looks amazing. It's so warm. Okay, so let's give this a try. Cheers. Let me just cut it. Then I'm gonna cut the middle. That's the best part. Cheers. I don't know if I should cry or not. I'm just speechless. And this is amazing. I don't know what to say. It's just so fluffy. You can taste the Nutella. Crepes! I'm gonna give it to him so he can try it. Try this. Just come here.
Pretty good.
It's fluffy.
Yeah.
Should I have put in a little more Nutella? Or
No, it's
just
perfect.
Fine?
It's really good.
I love it. It was just so easy to make. It only took like what, like 15-20 minutes?
Really quick.
It's a very nice treat to have. Well, not a treat, a dessert, right?
It's a dessert.
A dessert. Well, I'm gonna finish this now, so. Thank you so much for watching.